Hey, everybody, it's Ben. As I lose my voice, I have to say that I have to take 1 week off the podcast. Not expected at all. Basically, what happened was I did the latest Windows 10 update, and it was just a disaster. They've been experiencing a lot of problems. You can read about it online. God, I'm really losing my voice. Good timing, I guess. But I installed the latest Windows 10 update, and then it just wreaked havoc on my computer. I lost all kinds of files, lost every bit of audio production infrastructure I had, all of my recording software, all my plugins, everything. Luckily, I had backups of all the interviews, so safe there. But I don't have enough of my system rebuilt right now to be able to produce quality episodes. So this is me kind of improvising and asking your forgiveness as I take a few more days to rebuild my systems. Got some amazing episodes ahead. My total focus is getting back on my feet here so I can put out new episodes. I thank you so much for your patience. Maybe this also gives me a couple days for my voice to heal back up. The change in temperature out here has really been playing with me, but So yeah, kind of stressed out right now, but we will be back. I promise 100,000% next week. So again, thank you for your patience. I'm sorry if I let any of you down. Definitely not what I planned for. Losing all your software with a Windows 10 update has not been fun. So it is what it is for right now. Still apologizing. Let's keep the conversation going. Tourette's Podcast discussion group on Facebook, at Tourette's Pod on Twitter, or you can email me, tourettespodcast@gmail.com. We'll be back next week. Promise. Thanks again.